folks, Eddie Smith here, coming to you from the Uranus Fudge Factory. Quirky, right? So this is a Route 66 attraction near St. Robert, Missouri. Been by here, or at least I've seen the signs for miles, like probably over 100 miles I've seen the signs. I could not leave Missouri without checking it out. So we're just gonna walk through, have a looky look, digging the sign over here. Got a T-Rex here and an old fire truck. And I'm just gonna kind of walk through here. There's like a sideshow thing going on, an old bus. Then you have like a museum deal. Very cool. I'm excited. I love quirky. I love weird. So let's go. It's like I was wondering what that was. There's a giant teddy bear in that one. Well, they're definitely not lacking on the quirky. I love it. Let's go check this out. Okay, so this intrigues me here, folks. So let's see what exactly we got going on over here. That's a neat little stuff. Smart to reuse everything. Some people might even toss away. I think it's kind of cool, but to make this attraction. Okay, so let's check this out real quick before we go over there. So this is a certificate from the Guinness World Records. It's the largest belt buckle. Measures 10 feet by 13 feet, 4.5 inches, roughly. Achieved by Louis Kane at the Funk Yard in Uranus, Missouri. May 26, 2017. So let's check it out. Well, I don't know any rodeo folk that's going to put that on, but definitely very cool. In comparison, huge. Very huge. That's going to be a hard picking one, but we'll come back to that. we're back about an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes south of Uranus. Well, Uranus Fudge Factory. Anyway, that was pretty cool, you have to admit. But now we're at a location that's very special to me. It's fantastic Caverns. It's one of, I believe, 2 or 3 ride-through caverns in the entire world. Why is it special to me? Well, unfortunately, the photos I have are in storage, but in 1989, my grandmother took me here, and it was one of the first caves I had started going through during my youth, which inspired me to get into caverns to begin with. So I'm inviting you to come with on a brief tour of fantastic caverns. Folks, so there's been a challenge this video, and I apologize. So I'm still getting used to this camera, and apparently anti-shake was a thing. It wasn't working. I think I fixed it. Okay, but that being said, before I close out this video, I just want to kind of show you my pull from the last couple places. So as you can see over here, I collect magnets. I literally have a box back in storage from my house. Not a big one, but good size. But from here, I got the Uranus Fudge Factory one. And fantastic Caverns. And of course, I started collecting these again, which I have a billion of. Shot glasses. So focuses in there. And I think we have Uranus Fudge Factory, if you can read that. They had some risque ones over there, as you can probably imagine, and I wasn't gonna go that route and then explain it, you know. So, but that being said, from here, I'm heading to Texarkana, Arkansas. There's some cool things I really want to check out there, and I'll share with you. But also, on Saturday night, I'm supposed to be shooting backstage vlogging at a concert. Okay, so more to come on that. So with that, if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you watched me before and you haven't hit subscribe, do so, and then hit that that notification bell so you get an alert every time I upload another video. It's the freest and best way to support me. And for that, I love you guys, and we will see you next time.